Hi guys, so today has been a busy day. I got up early to edit vlog number 2. If you haven't seen that, I'll leave a link up above so you can go and check that out. And then I took the dogs to the dog parlour and I forgot to film the before and after. Whistle! Don't you look pretty, guys? Pixie! Vicky! You look beautiful. So they look all nice and groomed. They didn't need it really, but it's their second haircut after their lockdown haircut. But yeah, they just wanted a bit of a hygiene cut, get them back into the routine. And yeah, we're about to sit down and watch the borough match. It's at 6, so it's going to be a late gym sesh, but I think I might do my nails while I'm watching it, because I'm going to film the unboxing tomorrow on Wednesday, but my brother snapped his Achilles on Sunday, so I'm going to be looking after my niece, so I'm going to prioritise time to film this week just in case he needs a little bit of extra help. So it's going to be a busy one, and week 3 is already being a just because without snacking, I snack in the afternoon, it's so hard. Anyway, I'm gonna go get a nail colour and do my nails. I've just come in from the gym and look what happened to my leggings. I was on the treadmill and I just suddenly felt like, hang on a second, I can feel skin. And there was a massive hole, like, oh, I'm so annoyed. These are like my favourite Gymshark leggings and there's a massive hole. Brilliant. Anyway, I'm gonna go take the dogs for their late night walk and then I will see you tomorrow. So excuse the bed hair, I've literally just crawled out of bed, taken the dogs for their morning walk, given them their breakfast. I never showed you that before. Pixie's not really a breakfast person, as you could see, so I just put hers to one side. She eats it over the course of the day, and then they have another meal around about 4 or 5ish. But today I'm going to show you me going in the gym. It's a lovely day, so I'm hoping to take the dogs for a nice 40-minute walk. But I had my rest day on Wednesday because I'm looking after my niece, so that means I'm not going to have a rest day until next Wednesday or potentially next Sunday, because I do like to take the day off on Sunday just because it's Formula 1 at the moment. I like to chill, not do anything. But yeah, my week has been messed up. But today is a full body workout. I'm really excited about that. The one thing that I've changed with week 3 is I've been adding cardio in every single gym session. So I do it alternatively, so I started on 15-minute 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off warm up, and then the next day I did a 10-minute 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off as a finisher, and that's how I'm kind of doing it. So yesterday I managed to get in the gym at 8:45 and went on the treadmill for a 15-minute warm up, and then it makes you sweat and it makes you burn even more throughout the workout. So I would definitely say the 15-minute one at the start is the more intense workout, and then the finisher is quite difficult as well. But Sunday I think I'm just going to do cardio, as I normally treat Wednesdays as cardio. So I think I'm going to make it a 20-minute 30 seconds on and 30 seconds off. I'd rather do short, high intensity than a long run, otherwise I just get a bit bored, and the weather being England, it's temperamental when you can get out for a run. So on the treadmill I like to keep it short. So I'm going to, that's just Crystal scoffing her breakfast. She's a little scab. I'm just gonna get a smoothie. We are going to Lidl today, so I might vlog a bit in there. We started shopping at Sainsbury's and then went to Aldi and couldn't believe the price difference, and we were quite impressed with the quality of the produce, although some of the strawberries were off, and I love strawberries, so I'll still go to M&S and Sainsbury's for strawberries and like Heinz tomato ketchup and stuff like that. But yeah, we're gonna go try out Lidl today. I think it's a little bit more expensive, but I'm happy to try it out if it's saving us a little bit of money. Okay guys, so I'm gonna head into the gym now, and today will be the first time this week that I've gone into the gym before 9 o'clock. It's around about 4 now, and Monday, Tuesday and Thursday I've been going into the gym after dinner around about 9 o'clock. And you know what, it's making me feel so lethargic in the morning, but I just haven't had time, and I've been really wanting to get in the gym, carry on with my progress. So it's been a very tiring few days. I am so happy to be able to get into the gym at 4 today, so I can have my dinner at my normal 7 o'clock time and chill out for the rest of the evening. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you my outfit. This is my go-to gym outfit. These are really old Nike 3/4 leggings. They're ridiculously comfy and soft. And then this sports bra from Gymshark in this gorgeous like minty, maybe teal colour. Ridiculously comfy. I've taken the padding out. But yeah, really nice. And if you are a subscriber from way back when I first started a year ago, look how much my hair has grown. My hair was like, I'm gonna say about that short when I started YouTube, and it's in a really long plait now. I'm so happy with myself. But yeah, I'm just gonna go do a full body workout today. I'm going to take you guys with me, and then I'm going to show you my dinner, because we're going to be having chicken wrapped in Parma ham. Just a little added saltiness with the Parma ham, just to, you know, get in some extra flavours. Okay guys, so now I've done my full body workout. I'm going to do 10 minutes abs, and then it's the dreaded treadmill, and I'm going to do 10 minutes as my finisher. 30 seconds, I'm going to do 10 speed, sorry, that's going to be my rest, and then 30 seconds working. It's going to be 12.5 for the first 5 minutes, and then for the last 5 minutes I'm going to up it to 13. Let's finish this off. Good morning guys, it's Saturday today and I'm still in my pajamas. It's Saturday, so why not? It's around about 9 o'clock. I'm just about to have breakfast. I've got a new breakfast for you guys today. I went out and bought some Weetabix, which is my favourite, and I haven't had it in so long, so I'm really excited. And I'm also going in the gym this morning just to get that out of the way. Really enjoyed my session last night. It was really hard and tiring, but it is working. I can see on the scales the exercise is working, so yes, even with my slightly naughty dinner with my Parma ham wrapped around my chicken. So yeah, so today I'm gonna have a Weetabix with banana and unsweetened almond milk. So yeah, let me show you how I make it. So today is Monday. I didn't vlog this morning because I'm actually in quite a bit of pain. So I've got to keep my arm like this. But last night I accidentally popped my shoulder out. It was very quick. It was like out in. But oh my goodness, it is so sore this morning, and I'm hoping it's not going to affect me gymming later on today. I'm not sure if you can hear it. I do have a egg boiling on the worktop over there. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you my lunch today. I'm switching it up a little bit, and then I think this will conclude part 3 vlog. I'm super excited going into part 4 because guess what, guys? I'm getting my hair done this week. I'm so excited. But yeah, I thought I would change up my lunch. Not too much though, because I'm having a salad, but it's going to be a chicken and bacon salad with a boiled egg, just to add a bit of saltiness with that bacon, mix it up. But yeah, so far so good. Week 3, I'm slowly getting there with the snacking. It's becoming less and less, which is great, and I can see myself improving all the time, which is great. So I'm going to make this meal and then I will see you in part 4. Okay guys, so this is my lunch today. Some of that house salad from an M&S pot, some fried chicken, fried bacon and a boiled egg. Oh, and it's so nice with the fried bacon. So nice and salty. Anyway, I hope you're enjoying my vlogs, guys. Hope you have a great day, and I will see you next week with a vamped up hairdo.